let's take a look at the quick choice component. This is a component we can add to the screen, and this comes from the Unofficial Salesforce website. This is a component that you can install on your Salesforce system, flow screens, and it's free. All the links will be in the description, and you can download this component for your system. So the first thing we need to do is we need to set up collections. I've already set up 3 different collections. Icon collection, a label collection, and a description collection. And what we need to do is add these values to each of the collections in order to use to create our quick choice label. So you can see I've added 3 items for the icons that I've selected: voice call, email, or text message, the labels for each, and then a description for each. What we'll do is we'll find our quick choice and drag it on. And I'll just give it a label of test choice. 3 options we have is a pick list value, or a radio group, or visual cards. I'm going to demo visual cards, and this gives us an option of 1 or 2 columns. I'm going to go with 1 column, and then we have the option of showing icons. Since I've already created the icons, I'm going to click that. Instant navigation mode allows you to either click directly, so as soon as you click your selection, it goes to the next screen. Or if you don't have this selected, you can change your mind, click a different one, and then click the next button. So it's up to you. And then the third one is to make the card size responsive. So this will respond to the size of your screen. So now we have our choice icons. I've already got that, so I'll add the collection there. And our icon size, I'm just going to pick medium. Then we have the option of the pick list field or the 2-string. We're going to go with 2-string because we're using the icons and the labels. Add our label collection here and our description here. Then we have the choice of, we can add a none choice and we can add a required. So this will force them to pick one of our choices. Then our master label. The master label is the question that we're going to ask. We're going to ask them, how do they want to be contacted? And then the value is the answer that we want to use for the rest of our flow. We put in the variable here that would have collected the data. And then we have our width in pixels. So how wide we want our labels to be. Next section here is the visibility. So this gives us the 3 options that we always have. And option, the or option, or some kind of custom logic. Determine whether we want to display this or not display this. And then finally at the bottom we have our advanced assignments. The only thing you really want to do here is the value. And this is where you would actually store your answer. So it'd be it'd be the same field, you'd have your value here. So if you go back, or if you're pulling a value from a table, a predetermined value, you can use that as well. I'm going to click save and just do a quick demo here. And this is what it looks like. So we can click, click, click. Thanks for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. You can follow me on Twitter. You can send me an email if you have any questions. Until next time, this is Helpful Salesforce Admin signing off.